government prioritizes transportation in Lagos State. That is why the first pillar of the state team's agenda is traffic management and transportation, which is the state vision, ensuring a seamless, intermodal, integrated transportation system. Today, I'll be sharing with you the construction update on the Opebi-Ojota-Maryland-Mende Bridge and Approach Road. So guys, sit, relax and enjoy as I tell you everything you need to know about this wonderful construction. The Opebi-Ojota-Maryland Bridge project is a major milestone in the state's commitment in tackling traffic congestion. This critical project will cut travel time, ease traffic gridlock, and enhance connectivity for thousands of Lagosians daily. The project is designed to solve long-standing traffic challenges. This bridge represents the state's vision for a modernized, efficient, and accessible Lagos. This groundbreaking initiative is an essential part of the vision to improve connectivity, stimulate economic growth, and draw in global investment into this area. There are construction works at every corner of the bridge. Firstly, we have two bridge construction beside the existing Odo-Yala Bridge. One of the bridge will be linking commuters coming from Ojota K2 Ikorodu axis of Lagos State to Opebi-Ikeja, and the other will be linking commuters coming from Opebi-Ikeja through under the existing Odo-Yala Bridge to Ojota Ikorodu Road easily. The Opebi-Ikeja link bridge construction also comprises of 3 round deck sections, 2 under this bridge and 1 under the existing Odo-Yala Bridge. The construction of the Ojota-Opebi-Link Bridge and Approach Road is to ease traffic congestion in Ikeja and its neighborhood. The construction, which was tagged a legacy project, is an innovative solution to perennial gridlock along Opebi-Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way and Ojota-Mende corridor. This project is another milestone in the implementation of the traffic management and transportation pillar of the state and the state strategic transport master plan. The project will connect 2 different local council development areas together, which will enhance the livelihood of residents. This project is not just a mere project, but an amazing masterpiece which will beautify the city, help commuters to connect different areas of the state together, reduce travel time, and eradicate traffic in this area. With this great innovation in the state, this is a clear indication that the Lagos state government are still in the business of making commuting within the state a stressless one and making our roads traffic free. With beautiful implementation such as the blue line, the red line, interchange bridges and so on, it was known that the present administration is committed to a traffic-free state, which will in turn reduce travel time. This is a vital infrastructure and progress in this area, which will help to enhance connectivity within the state and also create a seamless means of transportation for Lagosians and its residents. With the implementation of the Opebi-Link Bridge, this will help to eradicate traffic jam, provide more space for motorists to navigate the state, ensure easy flow of goods and services from one part of the state to the other, and increase the standard of living in this area. This implementation goes beyond transportation, but will also serve as a catalyst for economic growth, connect communities together, reduce travel time, and enhance the quality of lives. Lagos is setting a pace and revolutionizing its transportation sector and connecting communities together. This is a deliberate aim in stimulating Lagos' economy in all ramifications. This is a great innovation, part of the state's commitment to its transportation sector. Every part of the state must be linked together with a modernized road structure, effective transport system for commuters, and putting an end to the traffic congestion that has plagued the state for ages.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented